Alright, hello everybody, this is Robert. I am going to be trying a little bit different with this video this time. Instead of speeding through it, I'm just going to be narrating most of it and just keeping it clipped at real time. Here I'm using the Nouelle Viene stone Coticule. I had finished on oil, and now I am doing a touch-up using, first off, just soap, just to get started to feel the stone by itself, and then I'm moving over to using a talc stone. This was recommended in the Coticule handbook that Eric has shared around with a lot of people, and it talked about getting more keenness out of your razor. And so I am experimenting with going from the oil to using this, because it says this will put a little bit keener edge on it. And according to the talc stuff, it's just to make it so you're touching less of the stone, but you're still, there's no abrasives in the talc, but you're still suspending the metal off of the stone with the thin layer of it. I haven't tried just straight powder yet. I have yet to get some, but right now the rock that I have seems to work pretty good. And so as I go through it, I'm taking my time getting the sensation of it, make sure I clean very well between passes, cleaning the stone, making sure I'm not getting any particles or anything like that. And I'm just really taking my time with this. It probably took about 20-30 minutes for this whole honing progression, but the difference was not way more, but it was noticeably better than what I put on with the oil. And I think on those other videos that I recorded, or other touch-ups, I have tested on using the oil as finale. So here I'm just, as I go along, I'm testing for the texture of how it feels going into the packing peanut, as well as the sound. So because I had already finished on oil, it was pretty silent, pushed into the cloud. But here in this session, I am just testing, refining, and using the talc to push what I can get out of the stone. And the stone itself is interesting. It's very hard. There's different variations actually on the surface of different textures, like a swirl. So some areas feel different, but it seems to be that you still get the same kind of polish or finish or cut on both sides. It's just the honing sensation can be a little off-putting. With this, using the talc, it seems to give it a consistent feeling across. Even with using oil, there is differences. So here, I'm just going through the different directions to make sure that my scratch pattern feels the same in either direction, whether it is heel leading to toe leading. I want it to feel the same. I want consistency all the way across. And at this level, I am mostly polishing. And so I'm still testing, but so far, when I use the hair cutting, this is another part of my test. I am feeling how it engages with the hair. I'm not looking for popping hairs. That's already doing that. What I'm doing is feeling how easy it's grabbing the hair and how easy it is actually cutting the hair. A lot of these palm stripes in the beginning is me cleaning the blade, the apex, to make sure I'm not getting any particle contamination, and also to test the refinement, because what I'm doing is a minimal amount of stropping with using my hand, instead of like a strop where you can be a little bit more aggressive. Here, to me, it feels more controlled. It's a way for me to evaluate how the edge feels. If there's any differences in it, it's your hands can pick up very subtle things. And so, as we see here, I'm fairly happy with what results I'm getting. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, and thanks for watching. Take care.